Every NiFi user wants to create a seamless data flow like this in just minutes, not days. But how do you do it effortlessly? Introducing AI-Powered Data Flow, the revolutionary feature in Data Flow Manager that transforms how you work with NiFi. Let's see how effortlessly it works. First, log into Data Flow Manager. Enter your credentials or sign in with Microsoft. Once inside, connect to your NiFi cluster. I'll select Prod NiFi cluster. This is how the dashboard with all the details will look. Now head to AI-Powered Data Flow. Here, you'll see recently generated flows and AI-driven prompt suggestions, just like ChatGPT. Simply choose a prompt and click Generate. Instantly, AI creates a preview of your data flow in JSON format, which you can edit before finalizing. You can edit this flow JSON if needed. Then choose to download it or add it directly to your registry. When adding to the registry, select a bucket. Notice, GenAI flow is pre-selected for AI-generated flows. You can use existing buckets or create new ones with just a few clicks. Choose a bucket, enter a flow description and save it. Once done, it will be directly saved in the flow registry. Now it's ready for deployment. Let's deploy our AI-generated flow. Now select the version, check the details
and hit continue.
Here, review the canvas preview. Our newly created flow is highlighted in orange. Now, click on continue. Check all the parameter contexts and continue. Review the summary and hit deploy once done. Your process group, the NiFi flow, is now successfully deployed. Now you can start, stop, and monitor your flow effortlessly. And if needed, view the NiFi instance directly from here. You can also click on this to examine the processes in detail. AI-powered data flow makes flow creation fast, easy, and cost-efficient. It gives you the freedom to create NiFi data flows in minutes, saving valuable time and operational costs. Try Data Flow Manager today and experience the future of NiFi with AI.